What's going on, fellas? I've got here a 2008 Chevy Impala, and I'm using this car to point out to you the location of the important fuses for your headlights, your low beams, your high beams, your daytime running lights, as well as your fog lights. So they're all going to be behind this cover here, which we remove by pulling on the tab on either side. Now, if you need help with actually changing those bulbs, see my other video. I have a link down below where I changed your headlight bulbs. Looking in the fuses here, we'll start with the fog light fuse. That is going to be this 15 amp fuse right here. So pull this out, check it. Your daytime running lights, they have two fuses. That's going to be this one here, as well as this one. Now, both of them have to work in order for your daytime running lights to work at all. For the low beam bulbs, we've got two fuses. This top fuse is for the driver's side low beam. This one here is for the passenger side low beam. Down beneath it, we've got the driver's side high beam bulb, and this is for the passenger side high beam bulb. Now, what's interesting about these fuses is they only receive power when the relay for that circuit is engaged. The low beam and the high beam relay are built into this fuse assembly here, and they are controlled by the body control module. So if you've checked your bulbs and they're okay, and your fuses are okay, but you're just not receiving any power to, for example, your low beam, let's say you're not receiving any power to your low beam fuses, you need to figure out if that's a problem with the relay, with the switch, or with the body control module. If you have an enhanced scan tool, you can communicate with the body control module and manually power on those relays. So if you manually power on your low beam relays and you don't see power here, then you very well may have a bad internal relay. You can also communicate with it and see if it's receiving a valid signal from the switch. So your headlight switch is what tells the body control module to activate those relays. And if the switch is not working, then the control module will never activate the relay. So yeah, I hope that this information was a good starting point for you. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you've got any advice about troubleshooting the headlights or the low beams, daytime running lights, etc. on your Chevy Impala.